My name's Lord Barbosa, and I'm gonna try and drink this Sprite without burping. I'm not sure if it's possible, but we'll give it a go, shall we? Chug in one? I'm not gonna chug it in one, because I feel like chugging in one is cheating. You know, if I chug the damn thing in one, and then burp afterwards, by those rules, I would have passed. But I think I gotta drink the whole thing and get to the end without burping. You're not allowed to decant it into a different glass either, because that would make it way easier. You know, a bunch of the bubbles get out here. This is 500 mils, not 330. Oh boy. Is this possible? I don't know. Let's turn the music off. Get serious for a minute. I'm scared. I don't know why I'm scared. That is really fucking cold. Okay, not bad. About a third of the way in. Okay, halfway down, halfway down, halfway down. I can feel it building up in my stomach. Oh, the burp's coming. It's right there on the tip of my tongue. Okay. So far, oh my god. This burp feels so big. No, not 7 minutes. I want to put 30 seconds on the timer. I should have prepared this before. We can do this. I genuinely feel like I'm sweating. Why does this hurt so much? Do not keep gases inside. I feel like I might throw up if I hold it in. This is like way more physically challenging than I thought it would be. Oh my god, 7 seconds. I can feel it. I can feel it. Come on. Come on. Now it won't come out. Now it won't come out. Oh. I feel like I've held in the burp and now it's stuck. I didn't... What? It's stuck and it feels horrible. Oh my god. This is pain. Is this what people who don't know how to burp feel like? Is this what babies feel like before they can burp? I can totally understand why they fucking why they cry a lot. No, that wasn't a burp. That was just noise. Why did I hold in the burp? Do I need my dad to burp you? I think I do. Daddy! No, it didn't come out. You try swallowing to make yourself burp? Oh. This is so weird. Oh. Oh my god, that feels so much better. Oh. Oh. Oh, it smells.